Welcome. You can close your eyes now. Let the day fade away. You're not in a room anymore. You're somewhere else. Somewhere calm. Somewhere quiet. You're standing on a warm, soft beach. The sand beneath your feet is smooth, cool in the shade, warm in the sun. It shifts gently beneath you. It welcomes your steps. You look ahead and see the ocean, endless, calm, breathing with the rhythm of the world. Waves roll in and roll out again and again. A soft, endless lullaby. You take a deep breath. The air is clean, salted with sea breeze, fresh, cooling, healing. There is no one around, no voices, no noise, only waves, wind, and you. You begin to walk. Slowly, the sand brushes your toes. Each step feels easy, like the earth is holding you gently. To your right, palm trees lean slightly in the breeze. Their leaves rustle softly, like whispers. To your left, the water glistens. Sunlight dances across the surface, like sparkles floating on grass. You hear the distant call of a seabird. You don't need to look. You're simply here, fully present, completely safe. The wind brushes your skin. It's warm but light, just enough to cool your cheeks, just enough to remind you you're alive. Now, you find a soft towel or a chair, or maybe you sit right there in the sand. However your body wants to rest, there is no wrong way, just comfort, just ease. You close your eyes, you tilt your face to the sun and let warmth melt through you. The waves continue to roll, soft, steady, soothing. Breathe in and out. Again, breathing calmly. Breathe out worry. The beach is quiet but alive, and you are part of it. You don't have to think. You don't have to decide. You don't have to do anything. This is your time to be still, to be calm, to be held. The ocean hums its rhythm. The sun rests on your skin, and your breath moves with the waves. in and out like the tide. You are safe here. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to just be. Stay here as long as you need. And let your thoughts drift out like tiny boats on the water. Let them go. You don't need them right now. This beach is yours. This peace is yours. This moment is enough. You are enough, just as you are right now. And when you're ready, you can drift into sleep like a wave returning to the sea.